Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous diamond table runner with 3D roses on it. It is very easy to make. For the roses I have another video on my channel, and then you can just sew them on top when you finish the table runner. So for the yarn I used Peaches and Cream. It's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. It's a 4-ply yarn. It recommends using a 5mm hook, but I used a 3.75mm hook. Okay, so let's get started. So we'll start with the magic circle. Just like that. Chain 3. This will count as our first double crochet. Now make 2 more double crochets, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And one more time, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. So we have 3 double crochets here. Now chain 2, and make 3 more double crochets into the circle. One, 2, and 3. Now pull your tail. This is our first row. For the second row, chain 2. This counts as the first double crochet. Now 1 more double crochet, that's 2, that's 3. Now 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, 1, 2, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets into the same space, 1 and 2, and continue to make the remaining 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So by the end of row 2 you should have 5 double crochets on each side and the chain 2 space in the middle. For row number 3, again chain 2, turn and work. This is the first double crochet and keep going. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we'll do the same. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space. So this will be for every row. So go ahead and do that. 1 and 2, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets here. 1, 2, and the remaining 5 double crochets for this row. At the end of this row, number 3, you should have 7 double crochets on each side. For next row, again, chain 2, turn, and work 1 double crochet on top of each stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, now 2 here, 8, 9, chain 2, and now do the same for the other side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So by the end of row 4, you should have 9 double crochets on each side. Row number 5, the same, chain 2, turn, and work 1 double crochet on top of every stitch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 2 here, chain 2, 2 more double crochets into the chain 2 space, and continue the same on this side. So this is row number 5. By the end of this one, you should have 11 double crochets on each side. Now chain 2 again, turn, and repeat. So by the end of row number 6, you should have 13 double crochets on each side. Now chain 2, turn. This row number 7, just repeat the same. Okay, so by the end of row number 7, you should have 15 double crochets on each side. Please continue like this until you finish 12 rows total and you have 25 double crochets on each side. I'll meet you there. I finished round number 12. I have 25 double crochets on each side. Now we are going to chain 5, turn, and make a double crochet into the same stitch in the first one. Now chain 2, skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th, make another double crochet, chain 2, and 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. We are creating V stitches. So chain 2 again, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th, make another V stitch. Okay, I have 3 so far. 1, 2, skip 4, into the 5th, make another one. And one more time, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th, the last V stitch. Okay, chain 2, and we have 4 double crochets left. In this chain 2 space, we are starting over this diamond design, so we'll do the first row again. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets into this space. One, 2, and 3, chain 2, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 2, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a V stitch into the 5th. 1, chain 2, and another one into the same stitch. Okay, 5 V's total on each side. So continue doing this. I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm here at the end of the row, so skip 4 into the last one. We'll place our last V-stitch. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna chain 2 and turn. So this is my first double crochet, and I need to do 2 more into the chain 2 space. So this is 2 and this is 3. Now chain 2 and place 3 more double crochet into the same space. 2, 3. Now single crochet into this chain 2 space again, and repeat the same for the rest of the row. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 more. Single crochet into this space, and again 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same space. Single crochet into this last space. Now we'll do here we'll do our second row. So 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 2 more into this chain 2 space. That gives us 5 double crochet on this side, chain 2, 2 double crochets into this space again, and 1 double crochet on top of each stitch here. 1, 2, and 3. So this portion here, it's gonna repeat itself. So we'll have 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on until we have 25 again in this middle section. Now single crochet into this chain 2 space again, and we'll do the same as we did on this side. 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. Continue like this, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. I finished this row. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna turn, slip stitch in the second, into the next, and into the next, a total of 3 slip stitches. And now I'm gonna chain 5, make a double crochet into the same stitch, to the same space, and we're basically going to repeat the same from now on. Chain 2 and make the V stitch into the next chain 2 space. So double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2 again, and repeat. Now once we have the 5 V stitches, chain 2, and now double crochets in on top of each double crochet on the middle section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here chain 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets, so now we'll have 7 on each side. So there's 2, 3, make 9 more rows, 4, until you have 12, and I'll meet you at the end. 5, 6, and 7. Now chain 2 and do the same on this side. At the end of this row you should have the 5 V stitches. So the side with the V stitches, it's always gonna be considered your wrong side. So this will actually be the right side. I've completed all my 12 rows. This is what it looks like. If you can see, this diamond is repeating, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you're gonna fasten off. Leave a long tail. Cut. Okay, we're cutting the yarn here and turn around on the wrong side, and then start over from here. Okay, so we're starting in the first double crochet. We'll repeat this pattern again on this side. So I'm gonna chain 5, double crochet into the same stitch, now chain 2, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 5th, double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet, again chain 2, skip 4, V-stitch into the 5th. Okay, so from now on is pretty much repeating the same what we did. So you're gonna have 5 V-stitches, then in the first row of the new diamond you'll do 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then do the same V-stitches on this side. You don't work on top of this one anymore, just stop here, and that's pretty much it. You can make it as long as you need. If you want to add the roses, I have the tutorial on my channel. and then you just sew them on top of one of the diamonds. And that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.